Okay. Hello, my name is Brennan Harrison, and this presentation is going to cover a video game ratings solution that was created to solve a hypothetical business problem that I thought of in ISM 4930 under Professor Chakraborty. Okay, so for my data science presentation, the first topic I would like to discuss is my data. The data I used is called Video Game Sales with Ratings and was found on Kaggle. It is a CSV file where each row contains attributes for distinct video game titles such as name, genre, platform, year of release, user score, and critic score. Most of the attributes are nominal besides user score, critic score, and a plethora of different sales columns which contain ratio data, and year of release, which is an ordinal column. In total, there were 7,416 rows within my dataset. So for my business problem, I formed a narrative around what a hypothetical video game retailer may face, which is, how can we increase revenue to customers? After writing the narrative, I determined that a data science solution can help the video game retailer increase revenue to users by suggesting video games to customers that have medium to high ratings. My target variable would then be a game's rating holding values such as above average, average, or below average. Because I knew my target variable in advance and it had finite values, I was faced with a multi-class classification problem that employed supervised learning. It is a multi-class classification problem because there are three categories: above average, average, and below average. Furthermore, I am training my dataset to identify which class a set of observations belongs to. My predictor variable, or the video game's rating, will be derived from the percentiles of global sales. In short, if the global sales for a video game fell below its 70th percentile, then it is classified as below average. If the global sales for a video game is greater than or equal to the 70th greater than or equal to the 70th but beneath the 80th percentile, then it is classified as average. If the global sales for a video game were greater than or equal to the 80th percentile, then it is classified as above average. I use sales to generate my target variable's values to avoid multicollinearity issues that would occur if I were to use user score and critic score. I wanted to save both of those columns for predicting my target variable in my different algorithms. Okay, to prepare my data, I imported my CSV file into Jupyter and used the pandas library to perform all the necessary transformations. I started by loading the CSV into a data frame and filling all null values for critic score